Let's go through a simple method of how you can use your laptop to extend Wi-Fi range of a weak signal. Let's say you have a router or Wi-Fi giving you Wi-Fi, but for some reason, when you move to your bedroom, the signal is weak or not even able to get to your phone, hence giving you a bad internet experience.
No! God, please, no!
For this process to work, we need a Wi-Fi source. This could be a router, Wi-Fi, or even a phone. 2 is a laptop running Windows. That's all. Let's get to it. Let's make sure we place our laptop in a location where Wi-Fi can reach.
Now, using the laptop placed in our Wi-Fi range, connect to the Wi-Fi that we want to extend. For my case, this is my Wi-Fi name. Alright, as you can see, we are connected. Now, we want to extend it. We do this by creating a hotspot bar. Tap the network icon. You should see mobile hotspot here. If you don't, you can enable it by tapping this edit quick settings tool, and then you can select mobile hotspot and hit done. Alright, we can see it here.
Next is right click on the hotspot and select go to settings. Now select which network we want to share, and Wi-Fi should be selected by default. Now we slope down to properties to set the name and password of our hotspot. When done, hit save. We now activate hotspot. The next time you need to activate hotspot, you can just tap the network button and turn it on here. Now you can go to these areas where the Wi-Fi couldn't reach before and connect to the hotspot you created. Great! You can see you're now connected with a better signal. Is the video being helpful so far? Give it a like. Thank you. On Windows 10, right click on the mobile hotspot and tap go to settings. Then slope down to edit to set our hotspot name and password. When done, hit save. And we are done. Next time, to activate the hotspot, just select mobile hotspot. If the video has been helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. We also have another video you can watch here.